Hello friends, first of all namaste to all of you on behalf of Aerrow Technologies, and I sincerely hope that you and your family are staying safe during this challenging time of coronavirus. Friends, in an attempt to boost our fight against coronavirus, Aerrow Technologies has prepared a full body disinfection chamber which is 100% effective. Now before we start the video friends, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon besides that to get the notification of our new videos. So friends, this is our disinfection chamber. It's an electronically controlled system which is quite easy to use. A person is just required to pass through it and it will decontaminate the body, hands and clothes of a person. So friends, this system has a capacity of 15 to 20 persons per minute and we are supplying this machine at a very subsidized rate as well.
Okay.
Friends, these are some of the technical specifications of the system like tunnel size, motor capacity, number of nozzles, etc. So now the big question comes about the usage of this system. So friends, this system can be used in hospitals, schools, factories, banks, hotels, shows, libraries, supermarkets, shopping malls. It's all about crowded areas. If you think number of people in your premises are on a higher side, then this disinfection chamber is a very good option for you friends. So solve your fear now. Thank you so much. Get in touch with us about any of your query and requirements.